Are vinyl garage doors more expensive than steel? In short, yes, vinyl garage doors tend to be more expensive than their steel counterparts. The price difference primarily comes down to the materials and construction of the doors. Vinyl garage doors are often considered more durable because they are resistant to dents, scratches, and rust, making them a great option for homeowners looking for long-term durability with minimal maintenance. On the other hand, steel garage doors are generally more affordable and can also be quite durable, though they may require more frequent maintenance to prevent rust and wear over time. When it comes to energy efficiency, vinyl doors have a slight edge due to better insulation properties, which can help keep your garage more comfortable and possibly lower your energy bills. However, high-quality steel doors can also be well insulated, and some even have energy-efficient coatings that improve their performance. The key factors influencing the cost of these doors are material durability, maintenance requirements, and energy efficiency. Vinyl doors may come with a higher upfront cost, but they could save you money in the long run due to their durability and lower maintenance needs. Steel doors, while more affordable initially, might need more upkeep, especially in climates with harsh weather conditions. Ultimately, your decision will depend on your budget, climate, and how much maintenance you're willing to handle. Both vinyl and steel doors have their pros and cons, but understanding these factors can help you choose the right option for your home.